it's me, and today we are just playing some Minecraft like always. And right now, I just discovered a pretty awesome thing. It is that there is such thing as fish in the water, and I just killed one of them, and they drop bones. And there's dolphins. I had no idea texture packs did this to your world. And you can also like swim very fast. Now we should be getting out. And even zombies can swim. Well, that really doesn't look like a zombie. Looks like a weird mermaid looking thing. Can we even kill it? Okay, can barely even hit it. This is just too awesome. Just really wish I could go to creative right now. This is awesome! It'd be cool if there were sharks. Okay. Think these like drop diamonds or something? Cause like my first time seeing this. Hey little fishy, come back here. Okay. Can you like get one for a pet? Hey, you can't? Come on, you gotta be serious. Okay, this is just too awesome. Look, they're playing. Hey, salmon. Like a salmon. A salmon. Die, you salmon. Hey, those weird zombie guys are trying to kill me. What are you guys? Do you like stay underwater all the time? Hey, stop okay. Okay, this is awesome, but now we're lost? What? Okay, there's like a lot of fish. Like chicken trying to get out of the water. Okay, this is awesome. I think it's just like a dream. Oh my gosh, look! Okay, we're gonna die in here. Let's eat. We can't eat raw fish. What? Look, do you hear this? You hear that? I'm trying to eat it. Okay, there's clay around here. Oh gosh, I love this. Now let's not die. Oh, so. Okay. Raw sit. What? Okay. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. Okay, this is just too cool. Too cool for a school, and they only have 2 hearts. Okay, now we have some raw fish and raw salmon. Okay, this is just too cool. I just realized raw fish has like the fins on the sides, but cooked fish doesn't. Achievement unlocked. Delicious fish. Catch and cook a fish. Okay, so finally we got another achievement. Okay, guys. This is awesome! Okay, that's just weird. mean, I can't believe it. Wait, what? What? Okay, it's like I'm crashing, guys. It's not. Can't. I can't eat. I can't eat. Wait, do I have any other food? Yeah, I do. Let's change it and see if we can eat that. Oh, it's because we're not hungry. Oh, so maybe that's what happened last time. Oh. How dumb am I? Okay, we're regenning. We have some fish in our inventory. And I really need like something to wake me up right now. This is awesome. So the clay's still here, and all the magical things are still here. Like it only happens in deep waters. Let's just... Okay. Breathe, breathe. Eat some cooked fish. Okay, finally we saw some mobs, but I'm like, what? Does this ever happen to you guys? I'm amazed. I'm just amazed. Okay, let's go to sleep. Wait, can we like... Cannonball! Wait, okay. There's a dolphin. Hey, don't you try to kill me. Okay, I feel like this is a mod or something. This is awesome. My dad downloaded this. I think he did. He used zombie. It's not trying to attack me though. It's like they're good. Guardians of the Sea. So yeah, that's pretty much it. It's pretty cool. So there's this octopus, and we only have one heart. Okay, let's eat our cooked fish. Okay. So guys, never do this at home. Never. It's just weird, but very cool. It's cool, but also very dangerous. Oh my gosh, look at this. Is this like the best hiding spot ever? It isn't. Can't even, I don't even know if it is. Okay. What? That wasn't supposed to happen. Blah. That's just weird. I mean, like, what? Broke my bed? Now let's change its color to a black bed. Because I kind of don't like a yellow bed. Yay, black bed. Wait, we can turn it into a white bed. So we need to turn this bone into bone meal, this bone meal to the black bed, and then we get a white bed. And if we want to, we can turn it back to black. Ah, I hate when that happens. Black. Blah. Let's go get some bushes because I really wanted to turn my white bed into a red bed. But we don't have any rose bushes. I did once see rose bushes, but I threw them away into the fire. Oh, hey, look, a little egg. How nice of a chicken to throw its property, its poop, in my private property. Oh, hello, chicken. So that was cool. Like, that fish thing was so cool. Like, there were literally fish. How is that not amazing? Also, why do I always see like so many wolves walking around? Maybe that has to do with the mod or something. I don't know. So, let's eat the salmon. Okay, now let's see if we're lucky enough to get a chicken. That's just weird. We spawned a chicken, but like, they're like, hello. Okay, that's a zombie. Okay, I'm just amazed by what I saw. It looks like I'm on elytra. Wait a minute. What if? Oh my god. Actually, it's just like an upgrade or something. I'm just amazed. Like, are you seeing this? Or is it my imagination? So it's really fun. If it's just my imagination, then I'm really sad. 'Cause this is very awesome. Oh god. Oh my gosh, you can use this to glitch into blocks? Wait a minute. R. Oh, help, 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 help. Oh, okay. I do not want to suffocate. Here, have your little oops. I do not like this. I'm like suffocating. Hey kids, never. Oops, sorry, chicken. Hey kids, never do this at home. It's very dangerous because you will sink all the time. Now let's go to the lower mine where I discovered that hole that let me discover the thingy about all the underwater animals. So I think that does. So the prehistoric mod does the same thing. Come on, I have to do this. Come on, seriously? Can't I just block that? Okay. Hi. Okay, that's better. And now I'm gonna do the same thing all over again. Oh, never mind.